top 10. We going viral. You heard? Top 10 dead or alive. I swear to God. You already know the vibe. Come on. We outside.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the clutch on my boosted 2015 Civic SI. Currently running the ACT heavy duty clutch kit, 6-puck sprung clutch. It's a heavy duty clutch, but now that the car runs on E85, we run a lot more boost more safely. In order to turn up the boost or turn up the power, we're going to have to change out the clutch, swap it out for one that can handle a lot more power and torque. Trying to hide from me. I'm gonna lie, this shit like 40 pounds, bro. Got the Iron Man, oh God. If you haven't seen already, I got the Iron Man clutch kit from Action Clutch. Looks really nice. The paint is an Iron Man theme, obviously. Gold looks crazy. Even though you're not gonna be able to see this, it's still gonna look crazy while it's going on the car. And whoever does a clutch job on this next, it's gonna be like, wow. Got the pressure plate right here. We got a centered iron full face friction disc right here. And then we got the lightweight flywheel. This disc is heavy duty, bro. Heavy duty. Why you staring at me like that, bro? I don't like that. We got sprung instead of unsprung because this is my daily. Yeah, bro, like. Alright, my camera died. I'm using my phone now, so.
Everywhere I go, people want to know, so we tell them who we are. Tiger. Automatic Tiger.
I'm so sick of these people. You know, oh!
Boy, go to work. We got the sprung version because it's my daily driver. I didn't want the unsprung. Unsprung's for like straight track use. It's much more aggressive. Wears out your transmission parts quicker. I ain't need all that smoke, you feel me?
We need some milk.
So I just stayed with the sprung for the daily. Should be good. As you can see, there was some progress made. Took the whole subframe off. Transmission's still in the car. Light coming clutch. Shout out my boy Ryan. Yes, sir. Everything's still in the car though. Transmission's still in the car. I just took off the charge pipe with the blower valve on it. That's about it. And right there, that's the blower valve right there. I disconnect everything that connects to the transmission. Hopefully it comes out easy. Terrell ran over my air filter, so gotta get a new one. I was gonna get a new one anyways. That shit was bust. This shit black. I tried to wash it and revive it, bro. I'm sick for that. Let's get it. See what we doing? About to drain the transmission oil right now. I already have a jack supporting the transmission. I already took out the transmission mount, so it's just really holding on by the bolts and the support from the jack. So you can see the transmission is absolutely filthy, bro. I think we need like a skid plate or some shit. Cause mad dirt getting up under here, bro. We definitely gonna clean it when we take it out. Oh, it's not that bad because we changed it like what? Whenever I boosted it, was like a year ago, I think. Nasty ass juice. Alright, so it's been a minute. Got the transmission out. Big ass hole. You see the old ACT clutch kit. Looks like it's been through hell, bro. Can't tell if it's burnt up or if that's dust. This shit is very dirty. You can see we definitely need to clean this shit up. God damn, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yo. Alright, bro. As you guys can see, the throwout bearing, this shit is dried the fuck up. Definitely need to swap this out. This shit need grease too. God damn. Yo. Straight dust. Look at this. Straight dust. This shit is donezo. Nothing left. Donezo. Straight to the rivets. Donezo. Flywheel. Donezo. Done up. Look at the amount of dust that came off the bolt of the pressure plate, bro. Yeah. Not gonna lie, I don't know how this happened.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
catless now?
Yes, sir. You know the
Oh,
vibe. Big cat.
What catless down about to put?
It's gonna see, you know the vibe,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
You feel me? How to get right.
Up now, bro. This is loud.
Yeah, bro. How far can you hear it down the street?
When you made the turn, like.
Yeah, the turn.
It's the best part. Damn. Where is she? Hold up, yeah, this trying to fight me. Bitch. Just like that, I'm gonna try and throw the transmission back in the car. I think this has like a 500-mile braking period, so that's gonna suck, but whatever we gotta do, bro. So.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
Good juice. Make sure we're not leaking. Thirsty fuck. For this shit. Yeah.
This is bad. This is very, very bad.
Yo, Neff.
Wait, what? Are you talking to me?
Yeah. Is there any way to get a 12-point bolt off without a 12-point socket?
Sounds like a question for Google, but Google it, bro.
They don't recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk